Roedd Pontypridd yn ôl ar Barg Jenner ddoe bythefnos ar ôl I buddigoliaeth swmpus yn y cwpan yn erbyn y Barri. Ac unwaith eto, Alison Wits yn agor y sgorio i'r dreigiau gyda ffeiniad nerthol o groesiad perffaith Jasmine Turner. Gol unigol dda gan Olivia Francis yn dyblu'r afantais 20 munud I fewn i'r ail hannar. Ac roedd Wits yn rhan allweddol o'r drydedd hefyd. Y bel wedi I mesur i'r fodfedd I Rened rwydo I goroni diwrnod perffaith I Ponty.
Yeah, I'm really happy. I thought, Barry were good. They put us under some pressure, and but this team, they work really hard for each other. They stick to their principles. We played some good football. It was a whole squad effort, really. We needed some players to come off the bench and see us over the line. And yeah, another clean sheet and 3 on the bounce now. So yeah, we're trending in the right way. We're very happy.
I just don't think we performed very well, to be honest. We had a bit of a slow start. I think we were quite happy to get in at 1-0 at half time, to be honest, just to look at changing shape, etc. And I think we started the second half quite well. Didn't really take momentum when we got on top for a sort of 10-15 minute spell early in the first half and then conceded a second goal. And then you're always chasing the game. So look, bad day at the office, but it's important that we don't get down on ourselves now. We bounce back and we've got a fixture next Thursday back at home again to try and put that right.
And for yourself personally, a goal and an assist to add to that 3 goals you got here beginning of the month.
Yeah, I clearly like scoring at Barry. No, obviously it's always good for me as a 9 to kind of score or assist, but I think the most important thing is obviously the team performance, and today we put in a fantastic performance, but yeah, obviously happy to add to my tally as well.